video, I'm going to show you how to make a hand warmer for under $2. Tin foil and a rubber band. The reason why I'm using a D battery is because a AAA battery is too hot and a AA battery doesn't really work. Also, this is bigger, so it heats up more of your hand. First, put one end of tin foil on one side and put the other on the other side like this. Now it'll start getting hot, but to hold it together you need the rubber band. Since I have such a big rubber band, I'm going to fold it up and make it smaller, like this. Make sure it's a thick rubber band and won't break. Now use the rubber band. Now if you have it like this, it should start getting hot. To show how hot it is, I'm gonna go get my temperature gun. The temperature of the table is about 75 degrees. So far the temperature of the battery is 83, but it's still going up. At one spot in the battery, it gets up to over 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Most of the battery is around 88 to 89. So make this hand warmer and it'll warm up your hands by about 15 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not only very effective, but it's also a lot cheaper than most hand warmers that you can buy. So if you just hold it in your hand like this, it can easily warm up your hand. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like this, and I'll probably be making more videos soon, so if you want to get alerted each time I make a new one, subscribe. Also, make sure you don't leave it too long or it might overheat.